We're just waiting here. We're already here at, where are we now? We're already here at Calatagan, Batangas, but we're just waiting our tour guide to meet it up. Calatagan. Saan na tayo pupunta? Papasok na tayo sa tabing dagat?
Dun daw po. Dito lang. Saan ang resort? May gulong ba yun? Dito lang ang bad? Ewan ko kung saan yung resort nila. Ano? Pass. Wallet natin. Ecological ata. Diyan na lang kay Beng. Ay, ano na?
Ayan, nakinuha na niya ata lahat.
Ay!
Dami na yun.
Ayan, hindi lang na. Nakaraan din. Ilan po kayo dyan sa van? 5.
Diba tiyan mo pa niya na kanina?
Oo nga eh, hindi ko naman alam na tayo. Nakaraan, parang 12. Ilan po kayo? 5. Hindi ko malang nabayaran.
May pidap.
May pida.
Ayan, nakikita na po kami ng hotel. So talagang legit nandito na tayo. Oh, yun ang ganda ng ano niya. Wow, amazing. Oh, ang ganda ng dagat. Charot. Hindi pa pala yan. Joke lang. Palay isdaan. Charot. Fish pond pala. Akala ko dyan na kami magsuswimming. Ang ganda.
Ang ganda. Diba dyan na yun, diba?
Sa baba yun.
Yung mga balos na. Ay, galing. Taray, nakabas. Ang dami siguro na yun. Sorry, ang barangay. Dito lang iiwan.
So yun guys, nandito na kami sa Calatagan, Batangas at nandito kami sa port. I think this is a port and we're going to ride on a balsa. Oh, wait a minute, I will show you the balsa. Ano ba kung mag... Ayan guys, yan na yung balsa na aming sasakyan. Oh, my sandals were going wet.
Magkano yung ganito? 4,500. Tapos 400 ang 4,500 10 person. Tapos 400 ang extra.
Kinukuha niya yung laman.
Yung entrance, parang yun yung pinaka-entrance.
Hindi, tapos may entrance pang 50 pesos per person.
So, ayun guys, sakay na kami dito sa balsa. Ayan, papunta na kami doon sa gitna ng dagat para pumunta sa isla. Ayan.
Pag nawiwiwi po ako, mawiwiwi.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna play.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really... I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon it can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous, is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing all our minds and put the work in. We got some work, man. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do, and now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this, life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass half wish. I know, it's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in the red inside a payphone, just wanna break, no. I'm not gonna give in, take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin. Never get lost when thoughts pull you in. I miss the old you, we died with a purpose. All the energy around me felt nervous, scared I would pop out fast to the surface. Had to cut it off before you made me worthless. Torn apart, I've been torn and scarred. I had a given art, but now I'm thinking smart. I'm keeping up my guard, I'm hiding every card. A royal flush of love, you never know what's hard. With a back to the mat, gonna see where I'm at. I'ma fight like I'm mad, I'ma be something that they can never be me. Nice try, but they'll see I achieve everything while they stay salty. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do, and now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through.
Pupunta kami ngayon sa Sandbar kasi nag low tide na, so it's up for us to go and walk here. Ayan. Oh. Kami dun. Ayan guys, this is for today's video. Look how low is this? Oops. Pag-uwi, double. This is it. Ayan na guys. Lumitaw na ang buhangin sa sandbar ng Calatagan, Batangas. So ayan guys, maglulomi muna kami. for today's video dito sa Pali Kusina Food Court. Ang specialty daw po nila ay dito ay ang Loming Batangas. Ito na ang Loming Batangas. Yan. Dahil sa madami kaming tirang food, so nagkaroon kami ng feeding program para sa mga gustong humingi ng pagkain. Ayan, namigay kami ng tira naming maraming sinaing na kanin, and then meron mga tirang ulam. So ayan, tinatakal na ng aming mga
We'll be right back.